Teach your body just 15 minutes a day what it feel like to experience true gratitude. Feel it deeply. Ask yourself what would it actually feel like to live in gratitude. Research shows that if a person practices this for 4 days, 3 times a day, something amazing happens inside the body. The body begins to produce a chemical called immunoglobulin A. This is actually your body's natural flu shot, one of the most powerful immune chemicals we have. The subject that were studies that was a nearly 50% increase in this immune response. Now think about this for a moment. Where is this chemistry coming from? They are not taking any medicine. They are not injecting anything. It's coming from within them. This means you can literally program your autonomic nervous system to create a whole pharmacy of chemicals inside your body. Chemicals that support growth, healing, and repair. And this is exactly what science is beginning to discover. When you start changing your state of being every single day, when you truly feel gratitude, something else begins to happen. You start noticing synchronicities. New opportunities appear. Strange coincidences begins to show in your life. Almost as if reality is responding to your inner state. And these experiences slowly start providing something powerful to you, that you are not the victim of your life. You are actually the creator of your life. And the moment you realize this, everything begins to change. Thank you.